welcome back to my lovely channel. So today I'm here to do a really awesome Sephora and Ulta haul for you guys, and I am so excited to do this haul because some of this stuff is really bomb and it is on sale, and I was like, let me get my hands on some of this stuff. So I was like, before I use it, let me show you guys what I got. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I got from there. But before we get into the beautiful haul, I want to say, please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button because I am at almost 1,000 subscribers, you guys. I'm like, screaming deep down inside because that's just a big milestone for me. So I really want to thank you guys and I really appreciate it. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. It is free to do and it helps me out. So it helps me out to continue to make videos. So please consider subscribing and hit that subscribe button. So yes, and I wanted to do a little quote for you guys like I do in the rest of my videos. If y'all seen any of my videos, you guys will see that I do little quotes here and there. So this quote, I feel like it needs to be said and I want to say it. Again, I'm not like, my channel's not like politics and all that stuff, but you know, sometimes people gotta speak out and I want to be the people that do speak out and hopefully see a change in the world sooner than later. So this quote reads, "Until the color of your skin is the target, you will never understand." Some people will never know what it feels like to be discriminated or to look at in a different way because of the color of their skin. That's the elephant in the room. Let's just be realistic and have a real talk, okay? You guys, we gotta change that, man, because at the end of the day, we are all human. Don't judge someone by the color of their skin and by the way they look, because you never know. And you know, the one quote I really love is, smile at someone because you never know what they're going through. Your smile can honestly make their day. It could be like a life or death situation and they feel so unloved and feel like nobody cares about them. But if you know, like show somebody compassion and that you care, just smile. Like smiling is God's gift. I feel like, you know, like I'll look at you and I'm like, you know, just smile and it's just gonna make you happy. Like if somebody smiles at me, I smile right back. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get on started with the video. All right, you guys, so really quickly, I wanted to mention this item right here. This is actually from Target, but I just threw it in that bag really quick. So this is the Bliss I Do All Things. It's funny because it's literally I do all things. That's so cute. I love the packaging. It's a hydrating eye gel to depuff and brighten. And this one was 20% off right now at Target. And I will link everything down below, whatever I can find. Hopefully the prices of the sales are still gonna be there. But this is originally $16.99 and it was 20% off. Basically what this is just like an eye roller thingy and it's supposed to be like a little gel. It's supposed to depuff and brighten your eye. So here is the little ball right here. I have been wanting to get into skincare lately, so that's going to be majority of this haul right here. But I love the packaging. I'm a sucker for this color like that. It's coming out blue, more blue on the camera, but it's more of a turquoise color, which is my favorite.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Oh my gosh, you guys. He's so cute. He wants to say hi. Want to say hi?
Hi.
Say hi. He's so cute. This is one of my little babies. But yeah, guys, I have 4 kids. If FYI, if anybody's interested. But say bye, guys.
Bye.
But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the actual haul part. So, of course, Sephora. We all know what Sephora is. Okay, so Fenty is one of the brands that I really enjoy, and this brush right here I got because I don't know, I never tried a Fenty brush. Okay, I really love the foundation and I tried the primers. The primers didn't really work for me. The only other thing I really truly love is the lip gloss, the highlighter, and of course the foundation. But I wanted to try this brush, and this is the Cheek Hugging Bronzer Brush, and this actually retails for $36. Yes, $36 is what I paid for it. And again, I have not used any of this stuff, so in case you guys are interested, and this is like true haul. This is really cute. I love the color. I am a sucker for this type of like mauve-y, pinky type of colors. If you guys haven't noticed. Oh, that's cute. It has a cover to it. How do you open this? Oh, it pulls down. Wow, that's really nice. But yeah, this is the 190 bronzer. And it says Fenty Beauty right there. Oh my gosh. It's so soft. And it's like, yeah, cheek hugging. I feel like that's right. Wow. Okay, so and then you put the little cover back on it. I like that. I might actually get out her brush because I really like appreciate the fact that there is a cover. That's really awesome. So that was the brush, and it retails for $36. Okay, so my birthday's coming up. And then, of course, they had the little birthday gift, the free gift or whatever they give on your birthday. This one I got is the Milk Makeup one. It comes with this blush, mascara, and the Hydro Grip Primer. Have you guys tried any of these? Let me know down below if you have. And it says, oh, it says happy birthday. Well, thank you. I don't know if you guys are curious. Actually, oh, thank you. Oh, okay, that's a pretty decent size mascara. Oh, wow, this is so cute and little. And this I really do want to try this primer because I've been seeing it and I don't know, I've never tried it. So we're gonna definitely try that one out, and I'll let you guys know what I think about that one. So yeah, so from Sephora I got those three. Well, one was free, so but this is the one I really wanted to try. This one, you guys, retails right now on sale for $37. So the color that I got is the tan. I've been wanting to try this again, Fenty by Miss Rihanna, because I love Rihanna. I think she's beautiful, she's talented, and I think she got us all skin colored girls the hookup, because there's literally, I'm telling you, like literally highlighters, bronzers, lip glosses, especially foundations for every skin color, tone, everything. I love Rihanna. But yes, this is the Match Stix Trio, and it says Conceal Contour Highlight, and it's the Matte Skin Stick Shimmer Stick. Man, I'm so excited to try this. So the color is, I guess, the one I got, it is Tan 300, and it's the Caramel, Truffle, and Rum. All right. He's so funny. All right, baby, go sit over there. You know, I forgot that these actually like are magnets. Oh my god, I'm screaming on the inside. How freaking adorable is this, you guys? And I can like just leave it like this and it sticks together, and I can take it with me. So here are the colors. I have never I think this is the, sorry, I like to see if stuff smells like anything. I was about to say, was that it? Oh, it rolls up. Doesn't smell like anything. So this is like the conceal part, but this is like pretty dark for a concealer. So it feels really good, in case you guys want to know. I mean, I guess you can kind of conceal with that a little bit. And this is the contour one, which I was excited for. I hope this is not too dark for me, because it's kind of dark. Because if not, then it was the tan, and then it was the deep. The deep would have been way too dark, but I think the other one above the tan, it's gonna be too light for me. That actually looks pretty good. Let's try the Rum, and this is like the highlight part. That one's pretty. These feel so creamy and so bomb. Oh my god, that's so cute. They literally just stuck together. Sorry. I'm like amazed by that. That's really cute, you guys. I definitely like that. For $37, so go get it, please, because I think it's totally worth it. And online they have all the colors, so if you guys can't find it, why am I putting this back in the box? So if you guys cannot find it in stores, you guys know, I don't know if y'all, I'm pretty sure you guys know this, but go to the JCPenney Sephora. Well, it's inside of JCPenney. Sephora, they have inside JCPenney, like I said. Go to those, because sometimes if you can't find something on the regular Sephora like store, then you guys, I feel like, will be able to find the stuff inside of there. Yeah, that makes sense. So here are the colors again. Super loving that, and I hope that it looks super bright, you guys, but in person it's not that dark, so I think it might be okay. I'm gonna have to try it out and see. All right, let's go ahead and get into the Ulta haul. This one I'm really excited because, like I was saying, I've been into skincare lately, you guys, and I don't know, I haven't been a skincare junkie, and I'm like, listen, I'm getting old. We don't have time to play with our skin. So as much makeup as I put on and stuff, I just want to have my skin better. So I'm trying to figure out where I should start. Okay, so this is like one I've been wanting to try for years, okay? It's been so long, and I never had the thought of like, why am I gonna spend that much money on something? But you guys, it is. Here it is. I know what it's like. It's the Clarisonic Mia Smart. This is 50% off. All the Clarisonic stuff, the brush heads, cleansers, and these little systems are 50% off. So this originally retails for $165, and this was on sale for $84. And this is the smart one because this one, I guess, it's compatible. It's Bluetooth, so it's compatible with your phone and etc. So I didn't realize that the box was kind of broken. I'm kind of annoyed about that. But I'm so excited to try this. So I'm going to do a whole review on this once I use it, and I'll tell you guys what I think. So I will do a dedicated review for this. But yeah, that way I'll show you guys what's inside the box and all that stuff. But for right now, this is what I got. And you guys, I had to get this brush head. I know, this is the 3D face sculptor. So I've heard a lot of good reviews about this, and of course this goes on to the Mia Smart. This attaches, and you remove this one, you attach this one. This is like supposed to firm and lift your skin and like help with wrinkles and stuff like that. I'm so excited to try this one. So another thing I wanted to get to like massage into my skin with that, it is this so the brush head was again 50% off, and this one retails for, well, I bought it for $29, so if that helps. Yeah, I think it retails for $59-ish. That's a lot for a brush head. So if you can get it on the sale, again, I'll link everything down below. Go get it. This is the Lancome Genifique. I think I'm saying that right. It's the Youth Activating Concentrate. It is like a I want to say it's like a little oil or serum, excuse me, serum for your face. This one, I wanted to get this one because I wanted to close my door, baby. I wanted to get this one because I wanted to massage it onto my face with this right here. And again, I will go into a lot more detail when I do the review of that whole set right there. But yeah, this retails for $52. Skincare is very, very, very expensive. But if you want to get, I feel like, decent skincare items, then this is actually pretty big. And this is serum, so you don't need a lot. This will last you a very, very long time. I love the packaging. I love the little ombre effect of it. And I love this little flower. So cute. This is like a little details. You know me, I'm like go for details. And it's actually a flower right here too. How adorable. It smells good. I actually like the way it smells. But it's a little dropper. It smells good. It's like a little, I don't know. Here, I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like more of like, it's a little thicker than like actual oil. Wow, that actually feels, it smells good. Like it's not overpowering. It smells, and it's like it literally like goes into your skin. Wow, that's really nice. I'm trying to see. I'm trying to rub it in there and see for a second. Huh, wow, that's really nice. It's not like oily. It looks like very hydrating. I'm so excited to do the little massaging with that one. Last but not least is this. So the girl I was talking with, she was telling me how much she loved this. So it's by, I guess, it's by the Philosophy brand, Nature in a Jar, Cica Complex Recovery Moisturizer. So I've been wanting to find a good moisturizer, so I feel like this is one that she recommended. This moisturizer was $50. Again, skincare is expensive, but if we're putting all this makeup on our face, then I feel like we should take care of our skin. And I haven't been doing so good on that. I really want to try to get into skincare. That's like my new thing. But yeah, so it's a restoring and nourishing moisturizer that soothes dryness, restores moisture barrier, and reinforces its natural look. And it's soothing, and it says instantly skin feels soothed, hydrated, and moisturized. In 2 weeks, improves skin radiance and texture and tone. And in 4 weeks, skin looks and feels recovered and revived. So that sounds like it's amazing. She's like, it's amazing, like amazingness in a jar. So I was gonna get the cleanser that goes to this too. I was like, hold on, let me just see before I go spending all this money on this stuff. It has a smell. Oh, really? I got it on my nose. Okay, but it's not a smell like at all like crazy. I'm gonna try some on my skin. But this is, I guess, like they're trying to be into more like, not nature, but trying to make sure that like all the stuff like ingredient wise that it's not like bad stuff that's going on to your skin. So that's like their new thing that they're pushing. It feels pretty good. Oh, it's thick. I like that. And I have combo to oily skin, so we'll see what this does. Hopefully this actually does pretty well. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I don't want to keep this haul too long, so if you guys hear my dog barking, excuse me, because someone just opened the door. But yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video and share it. And what else did I want to say? Oh yes, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, and make sure you guys keep a lookout for this video, because I will do a full in-depth video on this and the products I showed you guys, the serum and the massager. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.